So Volkswagens have an issue, specifically from 2012 to probably all the way up into the 2020s, where the cylinder for the ignition has like this plastic piece that blocks it, and it's supposed to retract when you put the key in, but sometimes it doesn't, preventing you from putting the key in. And we've brought it to the, well, not me, but people I know have brought it to the dealership in the past to get it rectified, and they end up telling you you need to change your battery, you need to change the dash, the key is no longer recognized. So we'll try and get it loose, but essentially all it takes is a little bit of maneuvering the key around and maybe something else in there, and then eventually you can fit the key in and you just WD-40 it or something. But let's see how long it takes to do this one. So the zip tie wasn't enough. We're gonna go in with a small flathead. Oh. So felt something move. Nope. Oh, it's gone. I feel like I'm stealing the car.
So what exactly are you trying to do?
I'm trying to push it in.
Push what in?
Doesn't help that the car is like on an incline and I'm falling back. But well, I'm trying to push in the thing that's blocking the key. Okay, let's try with the key again. Yeah. Okay.
How does this
So.
work? Oh yeah, you got it.
So push the white thing out of the way with the screwdriver. Key goes in. Car starts. So I think it just needs to be lubricated, but that's how you unlock your cylinder if needed. Just push that white thing in with the small flathead.
So that's your second key for the car now?
Yeah.